The entire structure of the interior cabins is conceived in modular form on a grid system, so it can be readied outside the hull in complete control of the assembly tolerances, now limited to around a millimetre. This system makes it possible to care for the smallest design and decor details, allowing total accessibility in the preparation of the onboard systems. Soft mounting solutions are applied to limit the transmission of vibrations and noise towards the interior rooms, providing excellent comfort and reliability standards. The innovative architecture of the boat, coupled with our industrial process, enable us to customize layouts offering almost limitless possibilities for personalizing the end product, without the need to start designing each yacht from scratch.